Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a house tour. I hope you guys are ready for this. I'm really excited to show you guys like the things that I've been getting and just my decorations and stuff like that. I look a hot mess, you guys. This is my second video of me looking a mess, but it's okay because I'm going to be doing a get ready with me after this, and yeah, I'm not going to be looking so crazy. But first, let's just get started with this decor outside. I don't have a cameraman, so you guys aren't going to be seeing my face too much, but it is what it is, you guys. Let's just get started. I got this wreath from Target and it was pretty expensive, like almost 30 bucks, but I had to have it because it goes so well with the door. And I also, where's my other one? Oh, there it is. Got these pumpkins from Target as well. These were like 5, well, the little ones were $5 each, and then the big one was $10. I feel like it's worth it because it goes with my whole house. Like, look how cute. And then these little decor, I got that from the dollar store. Now, without further ado, let's just get going in the house. When you first walk in, you have this nice L-shaped couch, very large couch. I got this couch from Michael's Discount Furniture. It was about $1,400, but I feel like it was really worth it. I'm gonna be keeping this couch for a long time. I have stuff on the couch, you guys, but we just got here, so yeah. And I just opened a new computer over there, just stuff. Over here, nice curtains that I got from, I believe it was Ross. Right here in the corner, we have this nice, I don't even know what you call that, but it has plants that I got from Ross and this little thing I got from Ross as well. I feel like I had to have something right there up top just because like this little area is very bare and I don't like things that are like super bare. So I felt like I needed it. It brings out the living room and just gives it a nice look. And then with this, I got this from the dollar store. It's just some Halloween decor. Zoom out, you see these nice large canvases. I got these canvases from Amazon. They were about $80 some. I feel like it is worth it because it just brings the house in, and I don't know, it just gives me like a nice modern and nice vibe. Right here we got this rug from Amazon. I don't know how much it was. I got it from Amazon though. We got this table from Amazon. This is about $40 something. It does the job, but I do want another one, to be honest. I want a nice black one. And then we have this decor right here that I got from the dollar store. Looking on this side, you got a DMTV right here. I love them. If you guys watch them, you guys know. But let's start off with this area right here. We got some decor, Halloween decor that I got from the dollar store. They're really good with decorations, you guys. This stand right here, this was supposed to be my room, but my room's too small for this stuff. And this vase, oh my gosh, I got this vase from Ross. The feathers, I'm not sure where I got the feathers. I think I got it from Walmart, and I just put it together and it looks pretty. Got this TV stand from Amazon, nice black TV stand. It had LED lights right here, but they're lost. Got more decor, Halloween decor, pumpkins. This is a wax warmer. Oh my god, you guys need to have one of these. I got it for $17 at Walmart. Oh my god, it works better than a candle. 65-inch TV, got it from Walmart, with the LED lights from Walmart as well. Nice plant from Ross. And then you have the other TV stand. These shoes are not supposed to be in here. In this little angle, we have a nice wreath. This wreath was originally on the front door, but I switched it out for the fall wreath, so that's what that is. Here, this is trash. I'm gonna be taking that out. And this was my first wreath ever that I put on the door. I have too many wreaths in this house, but I didn't know where else to put them. And yeah, move on to this clock right here. Hi, that's me. I got this clock from Target. Yeah, I got it from I think Target. Yeah, Target. It was like $20-some, but I feel like it was really modern and it looked really nice, so I just had to have it. Huge mirror. Do you see me? I see you. Look a hot mess, but got this huge mirror from Ross, and you won't believe it says $75, but it was really $50. This large body mirror, literally. I had to put it in my car. When you look down here, this brush is not supposed to be here. Look down here, you got the vases, the end table that matches the coffee table. The vases I got from Amazon, and these little squiggly things, sparkly things I got from the dollar store. So, oh yeah, let's not forget this little sculpture that I got from Ross. They have a lot of good furniture, not furniture, like decor and stuff. Moving on to the kitchen, dining room area, we have some miscellaneous things that you guys don't really care about, that shouldn't be in the kitchen. This is my edge control. I be doing my hair like by the mirror sometimes, but this is my little dining room area. Got this table from Amazon. Yeah, it was about almost $200. This is where we just did Bean Boozled as well. And yeah, rug I got. Oh, we got a diaper right there. You know, I have kids, you guys, so some stuff is just out of place. But I got this nice rug from Amazon as well. No, I didn't. No, I didn't get it from Amazon. I got that rug from Amazon. And I got this rug from Ross that matches the peach pillows over there. So yeah, the reason why it's in here is because it was in the living room, but everybody kept slipping on it. So yeah, we have this awkward area right here. Just a mess. Just a mess. We got some coats, stroller cars that they use. It's just a hot mess. And now we have this, like I mentioned before, we have this rug that I don't want, that I got from Amazon. I mean, I could put it on OfferUp or Facebook Market for you guys if you want it. And then we have some pictures of Kai and Cameron. So cute. Moving on to the kitchen, we have, you know, some papers that shouldn't be there. Look at the tile, you guys. I need to fix the tile, like really, like it looks ridiculous. But I'm gonna get it right soon. We have the essentials, the toaster, the blender, and yeah, and then when we come over here, we have the microwave, the fryer. This is the oil fryer. And then when we come over here, we have the coffee maker and then we have the air fryer. That should be in the cabinet. But I did this myself. It was tan. That's messed up. I need to switch it out for a different color, you guys. Then you have some decor, some plants that I got from Amazon, some pictures that have to do with food up there that I got from dollar store. Got that plant, made that plant by myself from dollar store. That I got from Ross. It's really large, and when people walk in, you could see that, and it just brings out the kitchen. Memories, I don't know why I put that up there. And then we have the golden pineapple. So I don't know if I showed you guys over here above the dining table. We have some more pictures that I got from Amazon, and I put them in frames. All of these pictures have to do with food, so that's why it's in here. Okay, you guys, we are towards the front door again, and this is the way you go up the steps. I have a shoe rack. I don't know where the shoes are. I put the shoes in the bag because it's easy for people to take it out, but it is also easy for people to get it off the shoe rack. But the kids always knock it down, so I'm like, just screw it. So I put all the shoes in the bag. And then we have this tall tree that's right by the steps, and I love this tree to death. I've been having it for years. I got this tree from an organization, and I haven't like left it behind ever since. And then you have some pictures as you go up the stairs. These are pictures that we took you know, at different times or whatever. And yeah, okay, you guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys like this video, be sure to like this freaking video and subscribe right now for part 2. that will be me going upstairs and show you guys my room, the kids' room, the bathroom, and see how I decorated up there. I'm not going to be posting this video unless you guys subscribe, so do it right now and I'll be back with the next video.